Our wonderful Wednesday continues, but first we want to alert you that we've called for a first alert weather day. Friday evening, afternoon into Saturday morning. We're tracking some areas of wintry mix before changing over to all snow. We'll talk a little bit more in detail about that in a few minutes, but take a look outside. 38 degrees. Surpassed our forecast by a couple of degrees. Sunny skies, wind out of the south, bringing in some of that warmer air at 11 miles per hour. Moorhead currently at 37, 29. Grand Forks a bit cooler. We have more snow on the ground in parts of the Northern Valley as well. That definitely plays a factor. South winds at 14 miles per hour. Feels like 18. The coolest air is in the far northern valley in extreme northern Minnesota. Right here, 27 in Howlock, 29 Thief River, 32 in Roseau. We're at 37 in Bemidji, 41 in Jamestown. So a pretty unseasonably warm Wednesday, even in a couple of our cooler spots. We've also got a bit more cloud cover moving into northern Minnesota as well, dampening those temperatures ever so slightly. Here's what you can expect in your first alert forecast. Generally expecting a pretty clear evening ahead. That is going to be pretty nice for the Geminid meteor shower. Head out of city limits to a dark sky. Give your eyes some time to adjust and enjoy the show. Temperatures by 10 p.m. still generally in the 30s. So because of this southwesterly wind remaining elevated overnight, temperatures therefore also remain elevated. Waking up on our Thursday morning, temperatures 20s to near 30 degrees. So it will be a little blustery. It will feel colder. However, starting our day already that mild, already that warm, sets us up for another unseasonably warm afternoon. We're talking 30s and 40s, possibly a few low 50s down to the south, cooler up to the north with upper 30s to near 40 degrees. Again, where we've got that snowpack, takes a little bit more to warm up. Increasing clouds late ahead of that first alert weather day into Friday. But here's a snapshot. 7 a.m. temperatures, very comfortable. Upper 20s to low 30s, afternoon 30s to low 50s. A bit of a range there. But let's take a look at that first alert extended forecast for our first alert weather day. Friday morning might be a couple of areas of wintry mix developing already in northern Minnesota. But into the afternoon, more areas start to see this wintry mix and starts to move from the north to the south before changing over mostly to all snow into Saturday morning, although some areas may still see that wintry mix. So there's a few things that we're a little bit uncertain on, and one of them is that type of precipitation. Who sees all snow? Who sees all rain? Where is that transition line going to be? So we're watching a few things for you. Good news, it's not going to be nearly as windy as last Friday into Saturday morning. Just the type of system this is. We do still have several breezy days in the forecast though, not entirely wind-free, but look, we have Christmas Eve on the board. Can you believe it?
Yeah, I can't. It's finally here.
Yeah, and temperatures still above average.
Yep, Summer, thank you so much.